Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the laptop over and locate the 10 screws securing the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Be patient, as the clips can be tight. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components. Locate the battery. It's the large rectangular component with a connector attached. Before proceeding, remember that safety is paramount. If you're unsure about any step, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently lifting the connector with your tweezers. Now, you will need to remove the screws securing the battery itself. There are typically 3 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery from its compartment. At this point, if you don't have a replacement battery, consider our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about going out. Now, take your new battery and position it in the same compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. If you're feeling uncertain, remember, we can provide a quote before repair if you decide to have it serviced professionally. Next, it's important to clean the internal components before reassembling. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This step helps maintain the longevity of your laptop. Pay special attention to the vents and fan areas, as they can accumulate dust that may cause overheating. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws you initially removed. Finally, turn your laptop over and power it on. Check if the battery is recognized by the system and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, with our services, there are no calls, no travel, and we are here to assist you at every step. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.